Hey everyone, welcome back to Fitness Television. If you're one of the millions of people struggling with back pain, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the 3 best exercises to help relieve back pain and improve your mobility. These moves are simple, effective, and can be done at home. Let's get started. First up is the cat-cow stretch. This is a fantastic exercise to loosen up your spine and relieve tension in your lower back. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor and lifting your head. This is the cow position. Then, exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin to your chest. This is the cat position. Move slowly between these two positions for 1 to 2 minutes. Focus on your breath and feel the stretch in your spine. Next, we have child's pose. This gentle stretch helps release tension in your lower back and hips. Start on your hands and knees, then sit back onto your heels while stretching your arms forward. Lower your chest towards the floor and relax your forehead on the mat. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing deeply. If you need a deeper stretch, walk your hands further forward. Exercise 3. Pelvic tilts. Our final exercise is pelvic tilts. This move strengthens your core and stabilizes your lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Gently tilt your pelvis upward, pressing your lower back into the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Repeat this motion for 10 to 15 reps. Keep your movements slow and controlled, and remember to breathe. And that's it. These 3 exercises, cat-cow stretch, child's pose, and pelvic tilts, are a great way to relieve back pain and improve your flexibility. Try doing them daily for the best results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.